Wagwan everybody, it's a girl no filter JA and I'm back with another YouTube video. So guys, we have some hot topics so we have to discuss today. So right about now guys, shocking Murray come out and I tell MASICKA say nothing. Is it nothing in a clash with Skilly Bang need to focus on him album. But one the clash go on between MASICKA and Skilly Bang. MASICKA 2 ups. Yeah man, the clash, the clash for one. Wait here, MASICKA, clash Skilly Bang, because see how bad it is for real. I made a sound from Skilly Bang, you know, made a little preview there and it bad. So guys, just watch the video and tell me your think about this in the comment section.
I'm going on a clash with Skilly Bang right now. Me see them a preview a diss track from Skilly Bang aiming at you, MASICKA. Focus on your album, MASICKA. You just released an album, a very good album. Focus on it. Promote your album and push your album and make it reach where it's supposed to reach. A clash right now, I go shadow your album. A clash right now, I go take away the attention from your album. Focus on your album, MASICKA. Nobody will not clash right now. If I were you, I wouldn't go in a clash right now. Would have focused on my album. I think it wouldn't be wise for you to just release such a great album and then jump off in a one clash. And then the clash, I go take away the attention from your album. That would not wise. No, sir. Skilly Bang, me hear the song. Yes, it sound like you're ready for clash, Skilly. But MASICKA, focus on your album. Zane? Alright, sir.
Yes guys, and next up we have one Kevin. And right now one Kevin I say we don't play with Cartel, you know, because why? Me I little thing say Diamond one man in a relationship and anti-footer got inform from the man baby mother and mash up the man relationship. As a one Kevin say, other one anti-footer one rape of the man wife. Our footer say, our Kevin say one anti-footer say, you know guys, and I say so. Why footer if that really are going with you know, if you do them something there, you know. Yeah, mash up people relationship. Is an informer? Yes, I don't know what going on. Just watch the video and tell me y'all think about this in the comment section. I don't like you, I don't like you, I don't like you.
How much time you hear me say? Vybz Kartel is not the artist you want to go against. On the secret always come out. Sit down and rub out Tony Matarania. And me have more to add to that. Who remember when me do the video when me talk about Lock It, the barber, the lie when me tell becomes a truth? Watch you go on now. Lock It, the barber, we used to have sex with Daima. He used to deal with Daima. And Footer Hype go and snitch and Lock It to Lock It wife. And Lock It wife and Lock It getting a problem. And him wife stop talk to him for a little bit. Then Footer try hold on the man wife for rape her. Who remember that story there? So the story, the lie when me I tell her true. Alright now, under the note say, who me hear that story there from? I want a Tony Mataran friend. Under the note say a Tony Mataran tell one brethren where him having a New York that story there. And me hear it. Film brethren tell me. But the dog I say, yo, no say nothing. But that say me, you know me not call your name out. But Tony Mataran snitch upon that story there. So Footer Hype, your friend is not really your fucking friend. Because the story there, a Tony Mataran leak it. Now, Daima is now saying that Tony Mataran backs food out her mouth. Because if everybody remember Dirty Wine, Daima say, as she and him go somewhere, and him hear the song, and him thief the song from some younger artists. And play, him go select. And him hear the song, and I thief the song. Diamond try pretty it up. I said she in get inspired. Inspire my blood clot, Diamond. Diamond, I thief him and teach the people them song. If I know him sing the first dirty wine, and him hear dirty wine from somebody else, thief the people them song. Anyway, Diamond say, Tone Mataran box food out time out a lot. Because even when Tone Mataran travel with him blood clot song, him never ever bring her. And him are the blood clot artist, she are the dancer. Why Diamond never travel with you? Diamond, me need an interview. No, Diamond, me need an interview. Inbox me a number, because we ready for the interview. Diamond, when me talk the story, I hope everybody feel no way because I never did that this year night though. But that story there, where Footer Hype go snitch, pan lock it, me never did know what you. But now that you say it, me I go play it.
We done. You feel my craving here. You feel my craving here when a man pull out 6 puff out of the craving here.
A Diamond that.
The man goes and flick you like a dollar blow.
Yeah.
Okay, come suck. Oh, Mataran bring it down. Make me a trade down over my.
Bring it, bitch.
I also never TikTok.
Bitch around.
Tell us the Diamond trend now come. Mataran come.
Yeah.
Come Mataran.
Rub out.
Come.
Rub out time.
You like shit. You're careless. Mataran you go pine out. You're forever suffering in your life. Cause your box food out of my mouth. Yo. Yeah, enough hungry days to make take me.
Jaja.
Enough hungry days to make take me. You could have made me better.
She hurt about it too, no. A real hurt is enough.
I feel you get too much bookings. And you never one day take up a phone, you have my number. You never take up a phone yet and say, Diamond, may I get two, even if you don't want to give me no interview, when I get the bookings, tell the people them say, a Diamond create the dance, me now left Diamond, give her a strength.
Real talk.
For the show them, because you select me at the dance.
Real talk.
And you sing a song, I'm at the dance.
Real talk.
That's what you give me. Not even that
Him do it dirty one himself.
And I find me a buck up. Me a buck up, because my man there with lock it, and lock it to your barber. I made the one plate, not even that I...
You hear when she just say, remember she did there with lock it and lock it to your barber. Oh, so I saw the whole I want to know say lock it, did I fuck with Diamond? And you run, go tell your brethren in New York, say lock it, I fuck with Diamond and Footer Hype snitch. Pan Diamond, that lock it and Diamond have a secret relationship a go on. Hey boy, Tony Mataran, a friend like you? People don't need no enemy. Me know Footer Hype I wonder. Where him get that story there from? Cause the story is on point. But the story Footer Hype, it come from Tony Mataran. So now you know. I a chatty friend, Tony Mataran, the story come from. They said it's in Parliament. To the security force, direction have been given unto you to stop anybody who are trying to obstruct or try to cause any violence against the people them who are tear down the house them. Them supposed to dead and make sure them ensure that nobody stop the man them who are tear down the house them. Now, Andrew Holness, after the people them house tear down, boldly go and said, him now nothing to do about it. Him now nothing to do with it. Him never partake in it. Him would have never do such thing. But listen to this. Now Andrew this.
To the security forces.
Now Andrew this. Now the capital of the matter about.
Presence in the area to treat with any threats.
Any threats.
This illegal capturing
Illegal.
and building
Capturing and building.
public or private land
Yeah.
will not be tolerated. The government of Jamaica therefore will make a stand.
The government of Jamaica therefore will make a stand. Andrew, I tell you, say him personally I gonna make a stand. Him now put up with it.
Therefore will make a stand. And I repeat, Madam Speaker, the government of Jamaica.
The government.
This is not going to be left to a government agency.
Not even a government agency.
No. This is something that the central government of Jamaica must
Central.
and ensure it does not continue. So, Madam Speaker, Directions have been given to the security forces
Yeah.
to have a strong presence in the area to treat with any threats.
So Andrew come here come telling us say him now have nothing to do with this. Andrew come say him never have nothing to do with tearing down the people them house. Wanna sit on there, sir, and I believe all these things what the man say. When him right there, him can't take it back. You have to know say when you say it, you can't take it back. Once it reach the internet, it can't go back. Can't go back. Andrew Wallace are wicked. You try to take people off a capture land where you know your land. When the person who own the land now complain about the land. You are take a stand on something when I have nothing to do with you. I can't rate Andrew Wallace. Andrew Wallace will step down. Andrew Wallace, them to fire him. The people them to make sure them not going to vote for him again. Andrew Wallace are going to be your blood clot Waterloo. You're going to meet your Waterloo. Andrew Wallace are going to be a Waterloo. Remember when we were talking about the pitney them were dead? The 4-year-old were dead in the house and no justice. And all of the pitney them were dead from the year start till now. No justice. The innocent them were dead. Here want to turn and say, Andrew, clean up the place. He's also murdering innocent people. And they get no justice. Now you take people out of them house and I blame PMP party. Me telling you already, I'm going to tell you again, me don't even care about the PMP party and me don't care about the JLP party. We need a change in Jamaica. I'm not think that PMP are going to get a change. I'm not think JLP are going to get a change. But we need a change. Andrew, you are not the change for Jamaica. You are the change for the rich investors. And that's why the poor stay poor. I want to just kill them off done there. And them now get it. Them now understand. Now look at $1,000 and $500 where they go no. In Jamaica, if you want to keep on quiet and vote for them, them are kill on after. And them are put on out the door. Look how much negativity Andrew Wallace have done to Jamaican poorer class. Since he win this election. Kick people off a road. Beat up taxi man. Now tear down people's house. Lock up innocent. Put in law that even if you have a water gun, prank gonna send man go to jail for 15 years. And you don't see nothing wrong with that. You file for a lawsuit and you win. And instead of you get money, you get debt. Omar dead because him filed for a lawsuit. What more on the hear about Omar? Omar, what more did you hear about him? Him just dead and gone. Bugle dead. What becomes of that case? The police get locked up? Come on, bro. Jamaica, we need a blood clot new government.
Yes, guys. So next up, we have Future Fambo. Isn't me? He man Chris GAYLE at the airport and boy Future Fambo perform one of one with that bag of things. It's a rule and my promoter new is me from Chris GAYLE. Why is a rule look? I love how I see Future Fambo doing thing the one now watching her face. But everywhere I go, the people them happy do to see Future Fambo performing song. Why God bless her, Future Fambo. And we send that video with Rosealee meet Future Fambo at some restaurant. But boy, I must a restaurant this today because anyway, Rosealee is always a restaurant that she ever eat seafood. She loves seafood. So yeah man, for you see Future Fambo meet Rosealee, I must a restaurant, man. So guys, just watch the video and tell me what you think about this in the comment section.
I love the rich rum. I love the rich rum. And the girl them wine and the girl them. like pepper like yellow like blue. Me no like you. Red like yellow like pepper like blue. Me no like you. Me no rate them. Me no hate them. Me no like them. Me no like them. Me no rate them. Can you get a picture with you? Yeah, man. The number one fan, you know.
See the red flag. Wrist walk. You beat it! That's it. Yeah, take it.
Let's bless this rum. Let's bless this rum. Mr. Chris Gray. Yeah. Let's bless this rum.
That's rich.
God is good. God always protect us.
Been true, your story. Thank you, Jeffrey.
This is what you need. More women than the food in the plate. I just sit down and wake up in the hustling. Move in the money me a save. Motivation to the youth me again.
Believe. And we are not you can find. Every time. So tell me how can we be ungrateful when Jaja keep us playful? Praise the Most High with the pride, but only can survive. Oh, let's get Fambo.
Put a fire on the egg and them is a running up in them. And you don't come when Jaja all up in them. You me tell the truth, I swear. No prevent Jaja I'm a guy now the truth. Tell you no friend. Stay humble yet Chris stay kind. God is good all of the time. Never let Babylon hurt mankind. Give voice to the dumb and sight to the blind. You better not feel right.
Hey!
When Jaja keep you playful, praise the Most High.
You pretty, outside, you pretty. That's rich.
Christian, we are tell them you cannot be ungrateful.
Real talk.
God always keeps my plate full.
Keep you playful, keep you playful, just believe. Appreciate, just be grateful.
Rich. Yeah. I'm gonna grab the money now.
I'm hearing him, Chris.
I'm reading this. Oh, fuck. Yeah, all the rich.
Monday. All of it like them bright. I'm seeing them Sunday. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 It's not the morning, shit will come. I kiss just for a cheerlead come. I be with the way come to top. Rise every crocodile out and it's swamp. You see me winning, I'm in the pen for lose. CEO, there, Peter Cruz. You got me money clothes, I'm in my shoes. Me no walk up, come on. Who's hot? Who's hot? Guess who's hot again? It's super hot and Crystal. Brand new track. Monday. All of it like them bright. Hear them Sunday. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. I forget the money that you not funny. Big fat pence, Lordy and funny. Tell them see the ones who in on the coming. See them the club to them. Who's hot? Guess who's hot again? It's super hot and
unlock it. You gotta unlock it.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. I'm a dangerous man, rich rubbing on the hand. Don't believe me, just watch. I'm a dangerous man with the rubbing. Dangerous man with the rubbing in the hand. Don't believe me, just watch. Straight up, so. Straight up.
Reach round.
That's good.
Fambo, and this is Rosealee, and it's she and me. If you wouldn't like it, I don't care. Rosealee, talk to them.
If you wouldn't like it, I don't care.
I don't care.
We don't care.
We don't care.
When we're outside,
We're outside.
Father's Day you are.
I'm gonna say, oh, all right, girl.
I'm a car, look a while. Mash up my car. Trying to start, could have killed me off. Jesus Christ. We get a licking on my chest. Trying to start. This a man. Man fuck up the woman up there too. This a car. General walk, yo, you nearly kill me off. Mama, me no see it, man.
Any home me never die, but straight in a me.
I know, star.
Me see me dead in front of me, I tell you.
I know,
Oh,
God.
me could have seen Jesus.
Look at him, I listen to my gospel, you know.
Yes, guys. So right now, a Bugle. The man from out of the boy, my elephant man in some fiction. You see me? Yeah, man. Well, guys, as far as I can say right now, elephant man, you do something wrong to the man. If you fix it up, man. Because I can say Bugle is a respectable Rasta man. You see me? Even though him a the future Fambo woman. I beg your pardon, please. I don't know if it's a woman thing with a future from with Elephant Man and Bugle still. But anything we need to fix it up though. And stop the foolishness, cause when a legend in the music business, man, we do better than that, man. Fix on the thing and stop about war and things and not talk to one another. As Jamaicans, fix it up, man, Bugle and Elephant Man. You see me? I beg your pardon, please. Guys, watch the video and tell me y'all think about this in the comment section.
Pittsburgh, and I get a call from Sirani. And Sirani says something at the time what an artist said about me, which was something negative. And I wanted to confront it. I want to make that call and find out. Or if you say something like that. And Sirani begged me like him, I say, yo, please, don't. I said, Sirani, but I have to deal with it. Me not grow like you, Sirani, you're uptown youth. Me not grow that way, I have to confront it. And him say, Bugle, I beg you, don't confront it that way there. Find another way to deal with it. And I say, alright. Me in the back of the vehicle I drive to the airport for come home. And for the whole time it rests on my meds and I sing about it. Whatever I done to you, why you want to treat me like a criminal? When I come off of the plane, I stop at that studio and record the song. I write the song in the plane, every line, stop at that studio, walk in the studio and ask Curry, you don't have no rhythm? Him say, yeah man, I have rhythm. I say, play what you have, and him play the rhythm. I'm just going to the booth. What have I done to you? Why you want to treat me like a criminal? I'm not no criminal. What have I done to you? Why you want to come to my funeral? Through me exercise every day, I'm going to start get fit. You notice what I say? Through me exercise every day. No, see the subliminal there? Yeah. Through me exercise every day, I'm going to start get fit.
Hypocrites.
You overs.
Yeah.
Because remember, you know, all of this are going because I exercise.
Wow, what double entendre.
What have I done to you? Why you wanna treat me like a criminal? I'm not no criminal.